Hello students, my name is Satnam Singh and I welcome you on the online platform of Sandeepni Gurukul. Students, today again we are going to understand a topic of 10th standard which is carbon and its compound, and from that we have selected one topic which is called homologous series. Students, here we are going to talk about homologous series. Now what is this homologous series? Let us understand. See students, as the name suggests, homologous series means what? It is a series in which some or other thing is going to be same. तो we say homologous series में what happened? अभी ये homologous series में क्या होता है बेटा? See what they say, series of a compound belonging to the same family. See here, all the compound will belong to same family. See here what I have written. I have written the members of what? Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. I have written all the members of alkane family. So you say series of a compound belonging to the same family. They all belong to which family? They all belong to alkane family. See, they have same general molecular formula. Their general molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2. See, if I have taken CS1 over here, hydrogen will be 2 plus 2, it is going to be 4. Likewise, if it is 2 over here, it will be 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, so they all belong to same family. They have same general molecular formula. But what is happening here, students? Every member is differing from adjacent member. Every member is differing from adjacent member. हर एक member ऊपर और नीचे वाले member के बीच में difference क्या होगा? There will be difference of this bond CH2 bond group. Here every member is differing from adjacent member. Okay, whether it is the member which is placed above or whether it is the member which is placed below. They are differing by which group? They are differing by bond CH2 bond group, and that bond CH2 bond group is called which group beta? Yes, it is called methylene group. Bond CH2 bond group is which group? Methylene group. They may ask you, member of homologous series differ by what molecular mass? So they differ by molecular mass of 14 units. Carbon's mass is 12 and hydrogen mass is going to be 2. So this is 12 plus 2 is going to be 14. So you say series of a compound belonging to the same family, having same general molecular formula, where every member differ from adjacent member by bond CH2 bond group is called which series? It is called homologous series. Yes students, this is the definition of homologous series. See students, these members of homologous series are called what? They are called homolog. You say members of homologous series are called homolog, and you say member of homologous series have similar chemical property. All the members of homologous series, that is all homologs, will be having similar chemical property, but their physical property will be different. See, in homologous series, general molecular formula is same, functional group is same, okay, their family is same, their chemical property is same, but what is differing is their physical properties are differing, and every member is differing from adjacent member by bond CH2 bond group. So these are some of the characteristics of homologous series. Methanol over here, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol. So they all belong to which family? They all belong to alcohol family. Their general molecular formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. What is N over here? N is number of carbon atom and 2n plus 1 is number of hydrogen atom. If you see, this methanol is differing from ethanol by bond CH2 bond group, and it is differing from propanol by bond CH2 bond group. So you say member of homologous series differ by, yes, they differ by bond CH2 bond group. Okay, they differ by methylene group. They differ by molecular mass of 14 units. Likewise students, we have homologous series of aldehyde. These all compound, they belong to aldehyde family. This is formaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde, this is propanaldehyde, this is butyraldehyde, and this one is going to be varaldehyde. They all belong to aldehyde family. Okay, they all have same general molecular formula, same functional group, similar chemical property, but they are differing from adjacent member by bond CH2 bond group, and their physical properties will be also different. Hope students you all have understood with homologous series. Thank you for watching the video.